Okay, so this starts the portion for class 9 science chapter 8 motion. Okay, the first video is just a short video. Here you have to do a pre-test. As soon as you finish this video, write your test and send it. We will see how you'll do that. Okay, write the 3 equations of motion. There are 3 famous equations of motion in this chapter. Just write them down and memorize them. Then conversion units for length, okay, and the conversion units for time. So you have to write 5 points here. The 3 famous equations for motions are, so write that down. One is, okay, write down V is equal to, I'll explain it to you. V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion, famous, okay. V stands for final velocity, U initial velocity, A is acceleration, and T is time. Okay. The second one, famous equation for motion is S. The word S here stands for distance. Okay. S is equal to ut plus, so it means U initial velocity into time plus half A acceleration at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Memorize it well because you're going to need these 3 equations frequently in the numericals in this chapter. So we're going to start with them, okay, before we start explaining the chapter. And the third one is twice AS is equal to V square minus U square. Initial velocity, final velocity, distance, S is distance here, A is acceleration. So these are the ones. And the fourth one is here, conversion unit for length. This is very common and we need it frequently every now and then. So memorize them. Kilometer, I'll read them down, read them out so you listen. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Just memorize this line. And the conversion factor here is 10, okay? So next one, 5th point for time, conversion units for time. Most common ones, hour, you know, then minute, and then second. Okay, here the conversion factor is 60. Here the conversion factor is 10. What do we mean by that? 1 kilometer, 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer, 10. 10 is the factor. Or if you're going from small to big, 1 millimeter, 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 1 by 10. If you move from big to small, 1 kilometer, 10 hectometer. Like that, 10. Here 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 hour, 60 seconds. That's why factor is 60. So after you watch this video, you have to memorize these 5 points. Write it on a sheet of paper. Write your name, class, and post it. Okay? Submit your answers. Send your answers. This concludes the video 1. And from the next video, we will start the explanation on the chapter. Okay.